Nano Babo Kabalen, welcome to Wherein Pampanga. Para sa video na to, dadalhin ko kayo sa isang unforgettable food trip sa Angeles City. Ito ang Big Chick and Baboy, ang brainchild business ng owner ng Cafe Hola. Ano nga ba ang mga sinaserve dito? Samahan niyo ko at alamin natin.
Ito yung tinatawag nilang Big Chick. Basically, it's a flattened chicken meat. Difference guys ng meat natin from the other fried chicken or fried liempo. Mga meat natin dito, they are pressurized, tenderized for a very long time. That adds up with the specialty ng pagkain natin. Super juicy, super tender, super flavorful. Manda natin ito. So what I want to do is dip natin siya dun sa mga sauces natin. Ito yung dip natin. So that was the Big Chick. Ito yun guys, parang on the go na fried chicken. This is how it looks like, laki. Ooh. And then ang recommended dip dito guys is yung kanilang suka, which is this one. Now ito yung kanilang chicken oil rice. Trying it for the first time. May kakaibang lasa nga siya guys, pero mas masarap talaga siya. Katernohan mo ng liempo. Let's put it on top. Now for the big whole chicken, available pala dito, half chicken or quarter chicken or the entire chicken. If I'm gonna hold it, this is how it looks like. Ganito siya kalaki. Wow, this is so tender. Ang lambot niya guys. Subukan muna natin ito sa gravy. Oh, yun no? Then this time, kanilang sriracha sauce naman. If you were to ask me gravy or sriracha, I'm a spice person, so I'll go for the sriracha. Legs. If you're gonna go here, mayroon silang setup na 2 or 3 tables. Hindi naman sa ganun kalakihan talaga na dining area. More on to go yung mga pumupunta dito. So they're gonna buy it, enjoy it sa kanilang bahay or sa kanilang office. So far, natingman natin yung kanilang liempo, yung kanilang Big Chick, whole chicken, alongside with yung kanilang special kind of rice. May mga alternatives sila na mga choices dito. Ito yung mga Mediterranean. First, yung kanilang shawarma rice. Wow! Para siyang grilled. It has flavor in it already, no? Yung grilled chicken natin. Ito ba guys, for only 99 pesos, you're gonna get this chicken pops. Also, it comes with dip din. Pero tingnan mo muna natin wala siyang dip. Let's dip it. Okay, moment of truth. I wanna try their biryani. Big Chick style biryani. Rice. Burikin ang rice natin guys, sauce. Yan falls apart. Oh, grabe. Alright, so ayun guys, syempre hindi naman papahuli yung spirit of Christmas dito. Palitaw de Boom Boom. Ito yung di traditional na to, parang sinis-steam. So para siyang palitaw. 3 pieces is 65. Sheesh. Gamatan tayo ampun Sana yung mga balag. Alawaing klase. So messy. So, to top it all off, different kind of dessert na it's a mix of flavor. Of course, it's sweet. At itang linamnam na nitang cheese. Ang po itang caramel, aluwaya na klase. And then, at itang pagka-native nitang ngungut. Last one. Ay, grabe.